Hello folks, this is just a short unboxing and installation video for a PureGear tempered glass screen protector for a Samsung S23 Ultra. Okay, this was surprising. I almost ripped off the screen protector guide. Don't do that. This green film fits down into an indentation. Helps you align the screen protector. I turn off the phone and wet clean with the alcohol wipe provided. Next, dry clean the phone with the cloth provided. I'm using the dust sticker to remove any particles that might have fallen on the screen. Inserting the phone into the tray. Removing the film to expose the adhesive. Aligning the green tab to the indentation in the tray. Pressing along screen protector to ensure full adhesion to the screen. Separating the alignment guide from the screen protector. Gently rubbing screen protector to ensure full adhesion. Cleaning fingerprint sensor area. And that's it, done.